listening. Buttholes come to this place instead of the classroom. Oh, what? Okay, here I go. Oh, man, guys, I don't know why we had to move to this weird location again.
I don't know either.
Like
2020! Yeah, it's so weird.
Yeah, that's weird, huh? Right, Foxy?
Yeah, it's just weird.
Yep. You sound a little different.
My voice actor, forgot how I talk, so I'm gonna quickly go, shoot him with a gun or something.
Oh my goodness,
Okay, guys, listen up here.
that sounds a little interesting, guys.
Guys,
For God's sake.
guys. No,
Please.
Are you kissing the game?
guys, listen. So
Oh, yes.
We're not in normal school anymore.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
Nobody cares about it.
Throw it.
Today,
Chica.
no, I want to do it right now.
Oh, wait, what? What?
Don't do it, Chica. It's not worth it.
But I can't take this anymore. Okay. I want to throw them back at you. But today we're going to be making calculators. This is a new and improved calculator. We're going to see.
I don't think that's a calculator, though. Oh, it looks more like an iPod. Sounds like you're just bending.
Explain. We don't want to get yelled at anymore.
Yeah, why are we making calculators? Calculators like this.
Yeah, why are we making calculators? Yeah, good point.
Because we don't care about
Why
school anymore.
Why not?
Yeah, can't we just buy them at the dollar store?
No, you have to, because of the real world stuff is better. You gotta make your own calculator sometimes. But what if we run out of calculators? What are we gonna do? We gotta know how to make them.
Well, yeah, but we don't want to work in Chinese sweatshops. We were made in Chinese sweatshops. We don't want to go back.
Guys, well, that is true. The senior show did break some calculators.
Stingler Pig has broken tons of calculators. Let's just have a little montage of that real quick.
Hey, renegade.
What? No, that's copyrighted.
That's a lot of calculators, you know. It's calculated.
Okay, guys, we're rambling on. Nathaniel Show needs to get this video out by July 4th.
For class today, we're going to be going to a special room. Go to room 2,000 million seconds, and then you'll find the right room. Get rid of you. So basically, room number 2,130. Just go down the hall, take a left, and you'll be there.
Okay, let's go.
In teams, 3 for 3. You guys are each going to have 30 minutes to create your calculator.
30 minutes, bro. 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
30 minutes to create your calculator. Okay? 30.
Oh my goodness. Okay, anyway, we need to stop making a big deal out of this because Nathaniel needs to get this out by July 4th.
Okay, let's go. So this is the first team. It's gonna be the team captain is gonna be the first one. It's
Mangle. Okay, right there.
You're team captain of your team.
Mango. No one cares, okay, Foxy? Even though she's your love interest, no one cares. Okay?
And with Mangle is Freddy.
Oh.
And the last one with Mangles and Freddy is Foxy.
Oh, Foxy, what do you have to say about that?
Okay, so the next team, as you know, is gonna be. Oh wait.
Freddy.
Everyone else.
Let's pick the team captain.
Me.
No.
Sing a little pig.
God dang it.
Go!
Rude.
I have the most subs, so you guys be quiet.
And
You gotta respect me.
with that is Chica and Bonnie.
Okay, guys, at least we're a good team. Okay, at least we're the 3 that get to views. Let's be honest.
Yeah, I'm the one who gets your views all the time. So
I mean, true. You are in a ton of thumbnails. Let's put a compilation.
Guys, let me give you like an example. So basically,
What happened to your battery? It exploded?
Yeah, maybe.
How did you explode your battery, bruh?
Don't ask. So basically,
How did you?
So basically, you're just gonna have to put stuff together, and
I don't think that's how you make a calculator.
Let her talk.
Okay. Good point. Oh man,
maybe if you guys listen, maybe you guys can get it the best.
Hold on. Hey Foxy, I bet my calculator will say I love you on it. And I'm gonna give it to you.
So basically, your calculator, you're gonna have to add buttons and stuff to it. You're basically gonna have to make it work in calculator.
Oh.
So basically, this is a really bad example.
Really good, actually. I kind of like it.
But
It's almost like what we're going for, guys. It's almost like that's the plot of the video.
Make a calculator like this, working, definitely working. See the numbers.
kind of weird now.
And basically, that's what you're
No,
gonna do.
I always want to look into your one iPad.
Trinity,
So basically,
stop
you
it.
have this.
You really need some help, bro.
I know,
You
right?
have whatever's on.
No, I don't need help. You need help.
You basically have whatever's on this
Bro, I
table.
don't need help. Let's just say like that.
Yeah, let's
You
be
basically
honest.
have
We all need help.
You guys have whatever's on this table, and that's what you're gonna create your.
Mango, why haven't you talked in a while? Well,
Basically, you can use anything. You can use. No, shut up.
that was loud.
You're gonna have to throw it in. Guys, let me talk here. So basically, neither of you guys are gonna. Neither of your teams are gonna successfully listen to me.
Someone else would go whack you with a hammer.
I have to maybe staple something, bang some things, whatever. Just have fun. I'm leaving. Coming back.
Wait, where are you going?
30
What?
minutes.
What's your emergency?
Only come to me if one of you guys are gonna die. I won't help you, but you know, that's okay.
Oh man, guys, let's cut to the better scene. Boom. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys, look at our calculator. It's so good. Let's look at theirs. Here's. Go away, you stupid little.
Pick up, big guy. You have 15 minutes remaining.
What? How? What?
Time zone is this thing.
Oh my gosh, guys, the other team looks like they're doing.
Yeah, this is as good as it's gonna get, bro. It's not enough. Alright, I have an idea.
Guys, they're doing so good out there. I don't know what to do, guys. Oh no.
This is how you turn it on, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Hey, you guys.
Alright.
Don't
We gotta insert it.
What? Shut up, okay? We're doing okay.
We gotta give it some plastic surgery, you know? Gotta insert with all the
Why are
plastic.
you guys working together?
It's gotta become, it's gonna become like, this is gonna be the calculator of Kim Kardashian.
Oh, okay. Jeez. Oh my god.
Alright, there we go.
Teacher, stop helping them. You're supposed to
God,
be
say,
mean.
bro.
I asked why you guys are working together. This is a separate.
Alright, this is gonna be like the button thing, like with all like the.
Whatever. No one cares, teacher. Whatever. No one cares, teacher.
You know what you get for that?
Oh my god, guys, they're doing so good. Look at our calculator so far. Isn't it so good?
I know, it's amazing.
Yeah. Oh man.
I
They're so stupid, right?
I agree.
We're so gonna win. We're still gonna win.
Yeah, I even
know.
Freddy
It's like perfect.
Repellent.
Oh, that's really cool. I would like that.
7 minutes remaining.
Oh.
No one cares.
Shut up. Alright, kicked across the room again.
Guys, let's go see what the other team's doing. Oh man, guys, our calculator's looking so good. But look at theirs.
Even better. Holy crap!
Oh my god! What the heck? I didn't even make that.
This thing looks like a freaking piece of garbage.
I
It's not.
I know
See, it works. See, this is like how you turn it on. Oh, shoot.
You broke our calculator.
No, I didn't. It's fine.
Oh my gosh!
It's fine.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
It's fine.
Guys! I just came up with some master plan. Okay, come over here so we can talk over here. Okay, guys. So, what if? Okay, guys. So I was thinking this thing, and I was like, oh man, what should I was thinking of this crazy idea. Okay, hey, let me tell you guys the idea. Okay, guys, so the idea is we blow up their calculator with a firework, okay? And the even better thing is, I have this perfect song to it, okay? Now, this song isn't used in Gacha Life videos, but, you have to, be honest, Gacha Life is horrible, but Nathaniel can actually use this song in a really good way, right?
Alright. Yeah.
Hey, were you guys planning to blow up our calculator with a firework?
No,
you were. Shut up.
No, we were thinking of, we need to come up with something. We were thinking of kissing Mangle, yeah.
Yes, totally.
Yeah, we were thinking of kissing Mangle.
But yeah.
Yeah.
It's your idea.
What the?
Oh gosh, guys. Okay, guys. Guys. And this song is like really good, okay? Okay? And it's a love song about you two, okay? It's even better. Yes, I know, right? I know. I'm fixing your guys' relationship.
Oh yeah, let's. Ooh.
No. Oh god. Okay. Let's get to the next scene where the 7 minutes are done.
You'll never be the...
2 minutes is too much, butthole.
Wait, what?
God, you messed up
You are messed up our stare down.
No one likes you.
Come on.
I know. Oh, stupid. Freddy, I'm surprised.
You know what?
What?
Our team has the best calculator ever, and that's not all. We have a secret weapon.
Oh?
You know what it is?
Is it me because I'm beautiful?
Kind of.
Wait, what? Wait, what? It's actually me? Wait, hold on.
You have them, and then you
Oh.
do whatever.
Oh. Is it because you love me? I know. Okay, you can just admit it to me. You can just admit it to my pretty face.
No, it's so that they beat you up so working on that calculator.
Give me a kiss now.
So, I'm just getting through, bro. You're over there now?
Oh no!
One trick, Randy. Why would you do that?
Oh Jesus!
So guys, I kind of underestimated the time. You still have 5 minutes. Sorry.
Oh wait, what? Oh, come on!
I'm trying to get out of here. No, you're not.
Oh jeez! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Guys, Randy, no one likes you.
Oh, Mango, I've been meaning to tell you this for some time.
Oh man, guys, hi!
Are you serious?
What?
I just took you to China and you're already back? Oh my God.
No, not again! I'll fart!
Oh God.
Hey, you look like a flat potato with no mayo.
Oh my God, this...
This actually knows.
Oh!
How dare you insult my beautiful nose?
Oh yeah, I got one. At least you don't have a gay person in your thing, haha.
That was more than
Exactly.
back right.
I'm trash. Foxy, you don't even look that. You don't honestly look that nice, to be honest.
You guys are bad at comebacks.
You have orange teeth. Who would I go on a date? Orange teeth people.
Ooh, I like carrots.
So you're gonna eat teeth because you think it's carrots.
Carrots.
At least we actually have a good relationship, unlike you.
Ooh. I don't know how to respond to that. You guys don't. Yes, I have a very well relationship with Foxy. Okay, he loves me. I love him back. Okay.
Wait, what? Foxy, you got something to say?
Yes.
Okay, stop
He's
with
admitted
the
it.
comebacks. Nobody cares your relationship better. You guys are like 2 years old. Come in my room, and we're gonna try bring your calculators. We're gonna try fun.
Oh, fine.
Stop with all the commotion. Just sit down.
What is your conga line? Alright, we're here.
Oh, wait, did everybody have their calculators? So, guys, I'm gonna be picking from the team captains who's gonna go first. To show me their calculators. First, it's gonna be Mangle's team. Yay! Okay, Mangle.
Okay, who wants to show it off, guys?
All of you guys.
What? All of us?
All of you.
Yeah, but...
Just take it.
Okay, Foxy, you say some stuff about it first.
It's a super cool calculator, and it's way better than the other teams. And it's even got built-in Freddy repellent, just in case, because Freddy's quite annoying.
Okay, let me see it. This is pretty high tech here.
It's so good.
Does it work?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow, it even shows the Wow, I am impressed. Now, the next one is clearly going to be singing Little Pigs. I'm not even going to shoot. Let me see.
Basically, what we did here is so we used an explosive battery with a paper clip and one of these things,
Yeah, it's really good. It's really good.
And then we got like a lead can of thing, and then we got like a little heart with a plate of it. Stick it all around.
Let me see
really
this.
Good.
Let me see
It
this.
is broken, bro. That's why it's not working.
Wait, fine, I'll put it back. Okay, so
You broke it. You broke it. That's why it's not gonna work.
okay, let me just tell you here. These pieces are all together. I can shake it. This one is
Pause after.
okay, it's horrible. Where's the screen?
You broke it off. This was the screen.
Fine, I'll fix it for you guys.
Exactly. You're breaking our own thing. Goodness gracious.
Okay, but where are the numbers and buttons?
This is the number pad. You see?
Where's the rest of them?
I'm gonna find them.
It doesn't work.
Let me try this.
So this one clearly came in parts.
Yep, it's very good.
You got Play-Doh. Why did you use Play-Doh?
Stick it all together.
Yeah, it sticks all the stuff together. Okay.
Let me just tell you guys. This one, you guys, I don't know. Let me just tell you guys who wins. Ready?
I need that. I gotta go. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on, Bunny G. Come on. Jesus. Come on. Let's go.
I light the match to taste the heat. I've always liked to play with fire. I've always liked to play with fire. I ride the edge, my speed goes in the red. Hot blood, these veins, my pleasure is their pain. I love to watch the castles burn. These golden ashes turn to dirt. I've always liked to play with fire. To play with fire, watching as the flames get higher. I've always liked to play with
rite of passage, classic habit, matching the gas